Kaya. I'm the editor of Sassy Mama Dubai. We're here at Atlantis at the Bread Street Kitchen restaurant to meet Chef Cesar, who's the chef de cuisine. Come, let's go. This is where the magic happens.
Every day before service, I'll taste 80% of the dishes to make sure we're up to scratch.
So it's all
This is my
quality.
breakfast every morning.
It's the best breakfast. I'm coming here every day. Look at it.
You want to try some of the stuff?
Yes, please. What can I have? What's this? This looks amazing.
We have mac and cheese,
Oh, it's amazing.
one of the signatures for BSK. Roasted cod, mashed potatoes, and you have the baby artichokes, of course. Famous
Sticky toffee. It's so pretty, that.
Like sliced pineapple, bit of lamb zest, passion fruit, and coconut sorbet.
Oh my God. Don't tell anyone. This feels like home to me. This is back in Blighty, back in the UK.
Well, that's what we try to do. Modern twists of British food.
It has an amazing British menu. Every dish is totally fine-tuned and delicious, and yeah, Gordon's all over the place.
You can beat a good old shepherd's pie or
Oh no, you can't.
fish and chips.
A good old British roast.
A roast.
Oh, amazing. Fish and chips on the menu here. My absolute favourite. And the beef Wellington, of course.
Have you ever made a beef Wellington before?
No, it scares me.
It's not complicated. Once you know all the tricks, and it's quite easy to make. Kaya, now I'm gonna teach you
Yeah.
how to roll the perfect beef Wellington. So we got a lovely filet steak here. It's all clean and seared.
So how long would you sear it?
2-3 minutes from each side. Do a bit of nice painted with mustard. Normally you will use crepes to make the beef Wellington, and now I use this Arabic bread. It holds it better, when you roll it, it keeps everything very tight and soaks all the liquid nicely. And now you want to put our mushroom duxelle.
This is one of the most popular things, right, on the menu.
It is actually. It's very popular. We make about 1,000 portions a week. Filet goes in.
Push and press. Would you employ me?
At this point, maybe as a trainee. I'm gonna roll the puff pastry, so I'm just gonna thin it out just a little bit.
Like a Christmas cracker.
There you go. We're gonna decorate it now.
Okay, the fun bit.
You might want to paint it at least 2 to 3 times. Do you cook a lot at home?
But usually it's that kind of stressful cooking, you know, like what am I going to make the kids? I'm so stressed. Like at a weekend, I don't want to spend the whole time in the kitchen.
Why not?
Well,
It's amazing.
it's not when you have 3 children like hanging off your legs. So we come here and annoy you guys instead.
Happy days.
Happy days.
Looking forward to it.
What yummy things do we have on the table here?
Actually, our signature beef Wellington that you made
I know, thanks,
earlier on
thanks
today.
to you with your help. Thank you.
Spiced tamarind chicken wings, braised lamb shepherd's pie, braised beef with roasted carrot. Our secret crepe, as you can see, is super thin.
That's good.
Yummy.
It's very big.
It's very big. Oh.
Dubai is very welcoming to kids, and most restaurants will welcome children, which is fantastic because it means that kids get used to eating out, they get exposed to delicious food, to wonderful recipes, and to places like Bread Street Kitchen.